Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your DeepSeek AI account. If you want to permanently delete your DeepSeek AI account, then let's get started. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application and then log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in the main homepage of DeepSeek AI, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left, which will open up this expanded menu where you'll need to tap on the three dots at the bottom. Now, from the settings menu, go ahead and tap on data controls. Now on the next page, tap on delete account, and in the pop-up, click on delete again. Right after you do that, you will be redirected to the home page and your account will also be deleted. Remember that the account deletion is permanent and you won't be able to recover your data. Make sure to download any data that you need before deleting. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more DeepSeek content. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.